guys, welcome to BuzzTech. Here we explore the latest trends and developments in the tech industry, from cutting-edge technology to the latest inventions discoveries. This channel is for you if you're interested in the most recent technology, news, and research. But before we move forward, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell so you won't miss any of our uploads. Wet pour rubbing chrome surfacing. Have you ever wondered what this playground flooring is made of? Most of the time it is made of special rubber pellets that are mixed with dyes and polyurethane glue. The end result is resistant to temperature changes, precipitation, and even spiked shoes. It also reduces the risk of injury. The coating, known as wet paw, is produced in the form of ready-to-install rolls that are all made right on the spot. The video shows specialists from a British company working with the Latin method. The coating is called wet paw and the synthetic rubber pellets are made in Switzerland. It can be installed all year long, but you have to wait at least 24 hours to step on it. After it's finished on request, the site can be decorated with different patterns which requires a variety of dyes. Also, the thickness is effortlessly changed depending on the jungle gym gear. AquaBox. We continue our selection with some engineers from France who provide nothing less than the result of innovation in thermoplastics. They have developed the Seeker block, which is a foldable formwork block. Weight is one of the main advantages. A pallet of 150 blocks only weighs 838 pounds and each block only weighs 5.5 pounds, which is about 80% lighter than competing products. Work will be much more convenient as a result of the easy cutting and joining provided by folding hinges. The material is resistant to rot in any weather conditions. Once you install a wall, it is comparable to a reinforced concrete wall in a number of ways. The standard block is 24 inches by 8 inches, but other options are also available. The manufacturer emphasizes that the material is ideal even for complex projects like elevator shafts and retaining walls. Naturally, it is environmentally friendly. Plasmatic. Let's take a look at the Tasmatic concrete molds which are made in Turkey. According to the website, you can now create the garden of your dreams, but the molds are also suitable for other locations. This mold is 16 by 16.5 inches and has a thickness of 1.6 inches. It is made of plastic or aluminum and is easy to handle and clean. There are also options for creating unusual parts like butterflies. Working with the mold is simple and the video tutorial is only a few minutes long. The ability to quickly return to the starting point if you don't like the result is a huge advantage. Combining different shapes will allow you to awaken your inner designer and implement your most daring ideas. Pascal Modular GE Universal Formwork. Another option for formwork comes from Germany called Pascal. It is a versatile modular solution made of steel and lined with 0.6-inch thick 11-ply birch plywood, making it suitable for even large or complex projects. The segment height is 108 inches and the maximum concrete pressure is 1,253 pounds per square foot. A universal screw connection solution makes it easy to work with foundations, shafts, supports, and purlins of various configurations. Due to its modularity, the formwork easily adapts to any floor plan and any height parameters to within an inch. For example, the formwork was used to create the treetop walk tourist attraction, implementing 112 supports ranging in height from 16.4 to 75.5 feet. Contact Binwall. The Binwall retaining wall system is a solution from the United States. Essentially, these are 10-foot wide adjacent containers that can be filled with soil from the construction site. The system's advantages include its simplicity, which makes it possible for even non-skilled workers to install it. Low cost and convenient, no specialized equipment or expensive tools are required for installation. The system is also suitable as a breakwater system and can provide an additional degree of protection for military installations. It is also flexible. The Binwall can withstand unexpected ground movements that would destroy more rigid constructions. Geoplast AquaBox. Heavy rains are common in a lot of places all over the world, so engineers from a lot of different countries often come up with new ways to slow down water flows. Italy, for example, uses the AquaBox system, which simply uses polypropylene modules to collect water and then slowly drain it, reducing the load on the sewer system. The modules can also be used as a permanent water storage solutions for park irrigation systems. Assembly, maintenance, and repair can be done easily by hand because the parts of the system are so small. Nodura Hydrofoam insulation blocks from a Canadian company are next. These blocks are lighter and easier to cut than traditional options, allowing for faster installation and easier piping. The standard block is 4 feet square and has a thickness of 2.5 inches. When installed, it can be easily overlapped on all sides. There are also versions that are 3 and 4 inches thick. The Hydrofoam blocks are made of high-density polystyrene foam, and the manufacturer says that they are not only environmentally friendly but also 100% recyclable. They also meet LEED requirements for low-emission materials, and they are, of course, resistant to water and moisture. Bliss Z Terrastone PFM1K. The Terrastone PFM1K is a fascinating product for grouting that can be used on porcelain tiles and paving stones. It has a joint depth of up to 1.2 inches, is easy to use, comes in 3 colors, and is resistant to precipitation, cold, ultraviolet light, salt, and weed growth at the same time. After 24 hours, the finished area can be walked on, and the hardening process will take about a week. The manufacturer says that the product will eventually withstand road sweepers. The process is shown in the video. The surface is clean and moistened, and the mixture is spread with a brush and a hose. After 15 to 20 minutes, careful compacting takes place, and the remaining mixture can be easily washed off with water. Installation of metal roof tiles. Do you know that the Finnish company Ranilia first produced a profile sheet of steel that looked like a roof tile in the early 1980s? This popular roofing material quickly gained popularity and is now found on construction sites around the world because it can be used in temperatures ranging from -58 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition to other benefits, metal roof tiles are easy to install, which is why there are a lot of videos on the subject online. For instance, this is a guide to working as a 2-person team on a gable roof. Volma. Don't try this, it won't work if you don't have a plastering machine. The user wants to see how to apply plaster without screeds using a laser level and a collateral 6 station. This combination makes it easy to do fast, high quality work and make sure your mortar is prepared correctly. Although the station looks big, it can be easily disassembled into 4 pieces for carrying. It also comes with a mortar gun that is 24 inches long and a 33-foot mortar hose. The compound used allows for a recommended thickness of up to 1.2 inches on walls and ceilings and a maximum thickness of 2.4 inches. The high speed of application makes all of the follow-up actions easier for one person to complete. That brings us to the end of our video for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. See you in the next video.